Hey everyone, it's me. Yay, I'm still alive. I'm actually recording for my new iPhone. Oh, light doing funky things. Okay, recording for my new iPhone. I recently got iPhone a couple weeks ago, so I'm really excited to have it. That means I'll actually be vlogging more. So yeah, I'm actually really excited about that. Sorry about my lighting. I'm currently in my truck right now. So yeah, and it is pretty cloudy. If you can see that, yeah, that is what it's like for where I live today. So it's pretty bad. Um, but just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still alive. And yeah, and I'll just be doing more vlogs and stuff. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.